Changing your phone number on DroneDeploy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Login. Open the DroneDeploy app or website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Locate phone number section. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the phone number field and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in DroneDeploy. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.